But if they go for war, nobody came, everybody but below. It wouldn't be so easy.
Hey, back in the middle of nature for another video. It's a mess. Oh. I just arrived at this place called Le Refuge de Chavornay. I'll just write it down right here. And so it's a little wooden cabin that people can rent. And yeah, just come and sleep and just enjoy nature. It's really beautiful. There is like a beautiful forest just behind me, well, in front of me actually. So this place is in Switzerland, where I've been for the past few weeks, and I just wanted to share a little bit of my trip in Switzerland with you. So yeah, it's almost sunset. I think if I go this way, I'll probably have a really nice view. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? I think I have plenty of wood for a fire tonight. Small wood, big chunk of wood, very, very big one. Well, I'm not gonna use that, but yeah, it's pretty good.
It's a slow burn when we're trying to dig right by the rest of the world, and now they sell immunity too.
I thought we
bills and
would have
tax,
like a nice view on the mountains and the valley, but not really. So I'm just gonna start collecting wood, maybe start a fire, and then start getting ready for the night.
Don't get caught up letting the news tear each other apart. Fears making money, doing nothing for us, nothing for us, nothing for us. And don't get caught up letting the news tear each other apart. Fears been making money, doing nothing for us, nothing for us, nothing for us. What if they go for war? Nobody came and everybody broke the law. It wouldn't be so easy to do.
I am going to pick this up because I think that'll be a great fire starter. Oh, there's so much. Get the dry one. A lot of it is wet, so I'm just gonna make sure that I'm getting everything that's dry.
Fears making money, doing nothing for us, nothing for us, nothing for us. So don't get caught up letting the news tear each other apart. Fears been making money, doing nothing for us, nothing for us, nothing for us. Can you tell me what's the cost for a faster connection? What's exactly the rush? If it's safe, it's easy to prove. Just get tested down by someone else and show us the truth. The truth, it isn't easy. The truth, it has a cost. The truth is being censored. The truth is, I implore that for me. It's not easy to do when I have nothing to win and have everything to lose. Don't get caught up letting the news tear each other apart. Fears making money, doing nothing for us, nothing for us, nothing for us. So don't get caught up, letting the news tear each other apart.
Fire's going.
Making money, doing nothing for us, nothing for us, nothing for
Moon's out. Took a while, but we got there. There's nothing better than a fire at night when it's a little bit chilly outside. Having the best time of my life. I'm just gonna eat something in front of the fire, just enjoying the heat, enjoying the music, enjoying being in nature, the moon. So nice. Okay, it's tea time. Alright. This thing, jet boil, if you don't know, it's like boiling water like that. It's insane. I burnt myself so many times with it. And now, because it's going to get to -2 or -3 during the night, I am just going to boil some water, put it in a hot water bottle, and put it in my bed. Oh.
Something for after the shower.
Going to read my book for a bit, and then I'm gonna go to bed. Alright, see you tomorrow morning. Good morning. It's cold. It's like 0 degrees. Oh, the phone's ringing. 0 degrees outside and I am freezing. I had a good night of sleep though. That's pretty good.
Place where I can sit and think. And if I find me a pot of gold, I'll never forget about the rainbow. Little bit of love, little bit of love, little bit of love, little bit of love. I need you, and you, and you, and you. Every little bit of love you give me too. All I need is a happy home, someplace I wouldn't have to be alone. And it'd be nice to have some candlelight to light the fire in your heart at night. Little bit of love, it's all that I need. Little bit of love, and no need to be greedy. Little bit